Hi guys. All right, what we're going to do today is basically make bias strips, and that's what I'll be using to make the trim on my Chanel inspired jacket. So what you want to do is you want to take your fabric on the fold so your salvage edges are at the top. Now I've already started to do this, that's why you see this, but what you're going to do is you're going to place your ruler at the 45-degree angle, which would be the bias of your fabric, and we're going to make 2-inch strips for however much you need. So this clear ruler is 2 inches, so all I have to do is place it on the bias, and we're gonna cut. It's easier with a rotary cutter. All right, now that you have your 2-inch strips, you're gonna go ahead and just make it even. So cut this bottom part off. And now what you're gonna do is, with a zigzag stitch, I've got 2 layers here. So with a zigzag stitch, you're gonna go straight down the center of your bias strip, and you're gonna sew these 2 stitches together. I made 2 rows of zigzag stitches, but right on top of each other. So I made 1 set of zigzag stitches down the middle, then I made another set, and then I will show you what you do next.